Hello there everyone and welcome to Lichfield Trent Valley Railway Station, and kicking us off we have 350-123 and 350-108 working the 1720 London North Western Railway service from London Euston through to Crewe. Next up, I want to know if this counts as a triple, with 90-006 and 90-015 being passed by 390-152, working 4 Lima 42 from Trafford Park FLT through to London Gateway, and 1A60 from Manchester Piccadilly through to London Euston, running 8 minutes late. That what we call a tasty triple? Passing through in the background is 390-153, working 1H31 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Manchester Piccadilly. Next up, there's the gun, and there's the hiss, in the form of 390-049, departing with the 1716 Avanti West Coast service from London Euston through to Liverpool Lime Street, running 9 minutes late. Next up, passing through the station is 390-040, working 1A63 for Avanti West Coast from Manchester Piccadilly through to London Euston. As 390-103 flies through it on the low level, working 1 Sierra 82 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Glasgow Central, we see the departure of Tesco's ham sandwiches 730-014 and 730-044, with the 1739 West Midlands Railway Cross City service through to Bromsgrove. Next up, flying through on the low level is 390-006, working 1H71 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Manchester Piccadilly. Next up, running 19 minutes late is 805-011 and 805-005, working 1 Alpha 62 from Holyhead through to London Euston. Next flying round the station will be 66588, working 4M56 from London Gateway through to Garston, running 10 minutes late. Next up, catching us by surprise is 390-137, working 1 Alpha 64 for Avanti West Coast of Liverpool Lime Street through to London Euston. Arriving on the high level, terminated with a West Midlands Railway cross-city service from Bromsgrove, is another pair of Tesco's ham sandwiches in the form of 730-037 and 730-034. As naughty Pendolino 390-114 flies through in the foreground, working 1 Foxtrot 30 for Avanti West Coast from London Euston through to Liverpool Lime Street, we see the arrival of 350-265 and 350-104, working the 1749 London North Western Railway service from Crewe through to London Euston. Working rather strangely on the fast line is 47-245 and 47-802, working 5M42 from Carnforth Steamtown through to Southall WCR. Up next to pass through the station with 390-046, working 1 Alpha 65 from Manchester Piccadilly through to London Euston. And flying in the opposite direction for Avanti West Coast is 390-047, working 1H33 from London Euston through to Manchester Piccadilly. And flying in the opposite direction for Avanti West Coast is 390-151, working 1 Mike 15 from Glasgow Central through to London Euston. Flying around the corner for Avanti West Coast is Evalo 807-005, working 1P94 from London Euston through to Blackpool North. And proving we never miss an opportunity, here comes 390-121, working 1 Alpha 66 for Avanti West Coast from Manchester Piccadilly through to London Euston. And the train now arriving into the station is the 1820 London North Western Railway service from London Euston through to Crewe, calling at Lichfield Trent Valley, Stafford and Crewe. This train is 350-115 and 350-266. Passengers for Lichfield Trent Valley should board the front 4 coaches only. Hope you like that nod, SWTR. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.